Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to link your mobile phone with your DSTV decoder for you to get access to watch any channel everywhere in the world. So you need to go to any app store that you have. I'm using Android right here, so I'm going to Play Store to download it. So you go to any app store and then you search for DSTV Now. DSTV Now, and then the app will pop up for you to install. So you click on installing, and then you wait for the installation. After installation, then you sign up your account. So it's now installing. So if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that you miss out on any videos that will be dropping. And then you open your app. So you open up, you have the sign in page over here, your mobile number and your password. So you need to scroll it down. You have here, don't have an account, sign up here, sign up now. So you click on sign up now over here for you to create your new account. So sign up to watch your DSTV online. So you key in your email address that you are going to use to sign up for your DSTV account. So email, I'm going to choose info@pbteck.com, and then you come to your mobile number and then you select your country code. So mobile number, I'm going to use this number. Zero 24 70 25 562. This number is not my own number. I'm activating it for the customer, so I'm signing up for a customer, so make sure that you don't call this number. You can WhatsApp me on 059 6059 733. So you key in your mobile number right here, and then you come to create password. So you need to create your password for your account. So Pbtecknology.com. Okay. So you key in your mobile number, and then if you are not in Ghana, I'm in Ghana, that's why I have selected my country code. So you need to click on the country code to select your country, any country that you are, then you select it. So I'm in Ghana, I need to select +233. Okay. Then you press create account. Create account. So thanks for signing up. Help us link your DSTV account. So now you are going to link your decoder to your mobile phone, and you need your IUC number to proceed. And the IUC number, you will find it. They used to put some stickers at the back here, or you can find it at the back of the decoder. Almost of the time, whenever you put it on any channel that is not working, your IUC number will pop up. The IUC number is the smart card number they are talking about here. So you need to key in the IUC number. So here the IUC number I'm using 7018560928. And then we come to customer number. So you are going to choose the same number that you used. So I'll use this number 024 255 62. Please don't try to call this number because it's not my own number. If you want to call me or you want to WhatsApp me, just key in this number 059 6059733. So you key in your smart card number, which is the IUC number, and the customer number, your own number that you used to sign up or used to activate the decoder. And then you click on find my DSTV account. So we are just verifying your details. So where do you want to receive the verification? So you need to click on this tab over here for them to send a notification to your mobile number that you just entered over there. So you click on continue for them to send a verification. They will send 4-digit code to your mobile number. So you key it, the 4-digit code over here for the verification. Okay. So after you have verified your code, the new page will appear here for you to sign in with the details that you just created. So you sign in with your mobile number that you created an account with. So your mobile number over here. I don't have that decoder over here, so I'm going to sign in with this decoder right here for you to know how the app looks like. So mobile number 059 6059733, and then you change your country code over here. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to choose Ghana. Plus 233 over here. Then we come to password. Pbtecknology 059. So you key in your mobile number that you used to create the account and the password that you used to create the account, and then you click on sign in. Okay, so whenever you sign in for the first time, we're going to ask you to add a profile picture. So you can go ahead to choose the icon that is on your the screen at the moment, so I don't need to add any. So this is how the app looks like. So I'm going to live TV for you to know it actually works. So live TV, and I'm going to put it on Super Sports 9. Okay, so here are the channels on my DSTV decoder right here. So I'm going to select Super Sports 9 and see whether it will work. Sports 9. Okay, let me choose any channel over here. So I'm going for Abim TV. Okay, let me choose Sports Bulletin over here. Continue. Sports Bulletin. Okay. So I'm going to see whether it's the same thing they are showing over there. Okay, so it's actually the same thing that they are showing over there, as you can see. So it's not too hard to link your DSTV decoder to your mobile phone. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and then you join the family, because I will be bringing you anything that you need to know about installation. And then, so stay tuned. Bless up.